Hi, welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Festivals and holidays are round the corner, and it's time to start planning for parties and gifts. Who doesn't love gifts, young as well as old? Especially if it is a surprise. Surprise gifts have a peculiar habit of being more interesting than an expected gift. Even if the surprise gift is something very small, it will always be special. When family or friends are over for a meal or any gathering, a little party favor gift is so thoughtful, so special. It can be some small trinket, hobby stuff, candies, or even cash or coupons. The ideas are endless, so many. But for bulky gifts like candies, a pouch or bag is needed. For coupons, stickers, or cash, a flat envelope like bag will do. If you start now, there is time to be creative. one can enjoy making them in advance and give as much pleasure to the person receiving it. Fabric bag or fancy paper. Or say let's recycle some old used paper. Pretty ribbons or a humble jute string. Stickers, pictures, stamps, sequins. On and on and on. How about customizing? A little tag for names? Add a touch of nature, a little green, flower, cone, or even a cinnamon stick will do. Vintage or modern, you will see the same spark in the eyes of the receiver when he or she touches and opens his or her individual customized gift. More than the gift, the moment, the happy feel is important. Let's spread some happiness. Let's plant some hope and reap love for years to come. Thank you for your visit and see you soon.